I'm going to plant a banana tree today.
Fruit-bearing trees like the banana tree play a crucial role in today's environment for several reasons. First, they contribute to biodiversity by providing habitats and food sources for various animals and insects. This helps in maintaining a balanced ecosystem and preserving the overall health of the environment. These trees help in soil conservation and erosion control. Their root system help in stabilizing the soil, preventing erosion and maintaining soil fertility. This is essential for sustainable agriculture and preserving the quality of the land. Fruit-bearing trees provide nutritious food for both humans and wildlife. Bananas, for example, are rich source of vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, contributing to a healthy diet. They also support local economies by providing employment opportunities in the agricultural sector. Fruit-bearing trees like banana tree are essential for the environment as they support biodiversity, soil conservation, and provide nutritious food. Protecting and planting these trees is crucial for the well-being of our planet and future generations. Fruit-bearing trees like the banana tree are incredibly important for future learners. These trees provide valuable educational opportunities for students to learn about plant biology, agriculture, and sustainability. By studying fruit-bearing trees, learners can understand the process of photosynthesis, fruit production, and the importance of biodiversity in ecosystem. Fruit-bearing trees contribute to the overall well-being of future learners by providing nutritious fruits that supports a healthy diet. Learning about the nutritional value of fruits like banana can instill good eating habits and promote a balanced lifestyle among students. In summary, fruit-bearing trees like the banana tree are vital for future learners as they offer educational, practical, and environmental benefits. By incorporating these trees into educational programs, we can empower students to become informed and responsible stewards of the environment for generations to come.